The weather driving to St. George was so bipolar. We made it to St. George safely, and my mother-in-law opened up her birthday gifts from us, and the dogs were so happy to be at Grandma and Grandpa's. We just kind of chilled, had a relaxing time. No better way to start Valentines and my mother-in-law's birthday than by going to the temple. Happy Valentines!
So, we met up with some friends on Sunday and we just hanged out at the park and we just played for a little bit and then we went back. And then we went back and did the Tech Ridge staircase, and it's actually not that bad. It goes pretty fast and it's really pretty out there.
The shirts are already starting to come off.
Oh, yes. Bro, yesterday I had a whole conversation with my grandma about all this.
Hey, Junie.
Look, are you wearing a necklace? Yeah. No, she looks thirsty.
Junie's like, wait a minute. The dog's gonna come with me.
Go! I don't like these.
I'm done.
This staircase is insane. It is 333 steps. 333 steps. And they made it. I could not be more proud of them for accomplishing this and then having to walk all the way back down, plus trek all the way back to the car that is right there. I'm also really proud of my kids because they did the entire thing, and that's hard. And they did not complain. They still ended with a smile.
And then afterwards we got a treat and played games.
So I make the sound and you make the face, okay?
Okay.
Oh my gosh! Don't be yourself!
And then the next day we woke up and you already know we got ready. We met up at Big Al's and we went to the line and we met the Naughty Enough Nelsons with a lot of friends. Meet and greet with the Naughty Enough Nelsons. Crunchy eyes. Beat it once, beat it twice. Lemonade, crunchy eyes. Beat it once, beat it twice. Getting its signature by Luke. And a picture you already know by the 16 sign. And we gotta sign a little thingamabobber. Corbin gotta meet them and take a picture. And I gotta meet them and take a picture. They said that my outfit was cute. And then Aubrey gotta meet them. And you already know. Take a picture.
This is my mother-in-law's favorite thing is when the dogs have the zoomies in the morning. It's so cute.
Oh, I see him. We're so happy. Is Grandpa out here?
We always cherish the moments that we had in St. George. It's just so fun to be spending this quality time with family and the memories for a lifetime.
Woo!
Okay, so what happened?
We got to stay at St. George where Aubrey and Corbin and my dad had to go home because Dad had work, Aubrey had school, and Corbin had school that they wanted to go to. So, yeah.
It was so much fun. Like, we felt like we were breaking the rules.
Yeah, I've never done that. That's just,
No. It was weird, but it was so much
couldn't
fun.
believe it.
Yeah.
And I got to stay with Travis,
Who is,
my favorite uncle.
I mean, everyone knows that.
Staying up to midnight.
Oh, yeah. So did Millie actually get third place?
I did. I got third
She got
and you
third,
got fifth.
fourth, fifth. Yeah, she did a good job.
You beat your Uncle Travis?
I know. It was the first time I think I've actually ever done that.
She's moving on up. She's gonna get her driver's license next.
Bike ride adventure with Grandma and Grandpa.
Okay, before you guys judge me on the screaming, it was deep, okay? All right, let's go bowling. Woo, woo!
That's all it's done, Billy.
Concentration.
Oh, come on! Oh, so close.
Let's look at the scoreboard. You already know, Sigma.
Oh, oh, oh.
That was a lot of fun bowling. Now, time for ice cream. Alumni Creamery is so good. Their flavors are delish.
Yum.
Okay, the ice cream, of course, was amazing. Now, Millie and Jessica are cross-stitching together before we start to play games. Okay, this game, Block Us, is so much fun.
I won. I won.
Good job, Lauren. Good job.
We had so much fun in St. George. Now it's time to go home. Reunited and it feels so good. So Trevor met us halfway, which was nice. And of course, Bear had to come.